All right, this is to fill in the study guide portion of the Chapter 7 test review packet. Right now, I'd like you to pause and fill in what's given. Now let's try the example for figuring out whether this table is indirect or inverse. So what you need to do is multiply the x and y to see if it's inverse, or divide y by x to see if it's direct. Next, write the inverse equation. We have y equals a over x, so plug in y and x, solve for a, and then be sure to rewrite your equation as y equals whatever number you get for a over x. We'll try the practice problems in class. Let's move to section 7.2, graphing. Please copy down the information first. Next, looking at the example above, tell me what the VA is, or the vertical asymptote. Next, tell me what the HA is, the horizontal asymptote. Now that we know the VA, you're going to place that VA number in your table, and then pick a number above and below and figure out those values. You can then plot your VA and your HA and plot those 2 points and sketch. Next, tell me the domain and range. In class, we'll try these examples. Let's move to 7.3. Simplify, multiply, and divide rational functions. First, take a moment to copy the problems down and the explanations. Next, try to simplify this monomial over a monomial. Try and simplify this polynomial over a polynomial by factoring both the top and the bottom, and then cross out any common factors. For multiplying, it's the same stuff. If you want, for the monomial one, multiply so that it's one term. Multiply across first, and then you can simplify like you did above. With the polynomial ones, you want to factor everywhere. Here we could take a GCF out, difference of squares, easy trinomial, and another GCF. Cross out any like factors and write your final answer. For division, it's the same as multiplication. All you're going to do is multiply by the reciprocal. So when you write down the problem, change this to a multiply and flip this one. Change it to multiply and make it 1 over 5x. Now try them. Next, 7.4, adding and subtracting. Now, when we're adding and subtracting like denominators, it's very easy. Just go ahead and add or subtract the numerators, carry the denominator over, and wait to simplify to the end. So try A. Don't forget to simplify A. Now try B. Now, when we're adding and subtracting unlike denominators, we first need to find the least common multiple or the least common denominator. Try A and B. Lastly, we have solving. Take a moment to copy it down. Try solving the first one by cross multiplying, and the second one by multiplying by the LCD to cancel fractions. All right, that's it for the study guide portion. We'll go through all the problems in class on Monday and go over any final questions on Tuesday. Test will be Wednesday.